Alright. Sorry about that. But this is what it looks like. You all know what M&M's looks like. Shirt off to this all the time. Was this a wheelie? Come on. There we go.
Put on side here too.
No, they might fall off.
No, they ain't. Is your cake decorated how you want to decorate it? See? Oh, Lordy.
Yes. They keep it falling.
Jesus.
Yeah, sometimes I rush.
Stack some right here too. It's wrong. See? Next topping is M&M's. On side your cake.
Stop here. Sure looks good, huh? Subscribe to my channel if you like it. I want to start cooking. Go to YouTube channel and the game channel. If you're wondering what my page is, Asai Giles AASIAA space G. Start doing some cook shows on our video. And me and my mom's gonna do some pranks. Okay.
All that?
Yes.
That's it. So put some right here. No on the side your cake. You need some way over here. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't spill it. Get mad and have to do it back over. And hold this up back to eat it. Jamie or Sean or Janani, if you want to come over here to eat this cake, you can.
Get them sides right there. Look at them sides.
I'm gonna get famous. I know lots of kids in this world know how to cook.
Pretty cake.
Looks like my birthday cake, but my birthday is not
But it's a
coming up.
Halloween cake.
And then my birthday is not coming up tonight to Halloween. I mean, my birthday's not coming up yet to next year.
You mean this year?
Yeah. I mean that.
No more candy. Now do your icing.
Ma, I want it all over the place. I only got 2 left.
You'll get some more cavities.
Jamie, if you like the cake, you get, I can sing you a cake, and you and Janani can have it to eat it. Oops. Keep on following the chair.
You heard for this video go out.
If it goes out, we could do it in part 3. One more left. God, why do they keep on dropping? They're dropping like rain. I made this cake all by myself. No one didn't help me. Especially I did numbers and coloring. I'm a pretty good drawer. I'm gonna start doing videos so you can see my drawing, how I do it. There. That's just my game. Oh, I got 3 bags.
No, that's it. That's all. Anything else? Oh no. Put the rest back, please.
Okay.
You already went to the dentist. I do your frosting, your icing. That's it. That's too much candy on that.
Okay.
Oh Jesus! How you gonna? Oh, Jesus! That's a Halloween cake.
Get those sides. Ooh, God. I'm writing already.
Wowzers!
I'm a pretty good hicker. Come on, go sides. There we go. Again.
Pretty cake.
Mine. Yeah. There we go. You just have to twist it. Looks like a birthday cake.
So now you want to do it straight. Cut a piece, and let them see how it tastes.
Okay. It's not coming.
That's it.
Not coming out. I want all the frosting to come.
That's it.
Yeah, it's more coming.
Now it's time to cut the cake.
Not yet. Yeah. You gotta twist it to get all it to come out.
Throw it away.
I know.
So get a knife and a fork and a saucer and cut it and let the people.
Put that in the refrigerator for me.
No, I got the phone.
Okay, I'll let you explore the cake for a second till I get back. Run around.
Refrigerator. No, I got it. I got to hold this. You do what I asked you to do, please. This is a live video. That's what his cake look like.
If you want to see how
Right there.
If you want to see, if you
No, get a saucer. Small saucer and a fork. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. Okay, come on.
If you want to see cut up the cake later, or right now, see how to do it.
Pass the forks right there to your left. Wash it out.
I don't know what to do. That'll be a different knife. This knife is dirty. This perfect knife.
Get a small. I put that knife back, please. It's not for that. Those knives. Now you gotta get the pie.
Hold on, baby.
The cake thing on there.